Hello and welcome to How2R. This is a video series where we use R for your basic data analytics needs. And in this video, we're going to take a look at a grouped bar chart. And this is going to build off of a previous video where I demonstrate how to create bar charts in R. I'm not going to go through everything here, but I want to show you how you, rather than having a single bar for each of your values on your x-axis, that we can have a set of bars. So if we took maybe go back here, we can show you what I'm talking about here is that initially we created a bar chart for a bar for each of those calendar years. But if we wanted to not only look at them by calendar years, but also then have a different bar within each of those calendar years by sales channel, we can do what's called a grouped bar chart. So what we're going to do here is we're going to create a ggplot command. Again, I do need the scales library loaded to be able to get currency values. So I've loaded scales first. And then I'm issuing the ggplot command on the sales data frame. My static mapping is identifying the x-axis that I want to be able to create this by sales year. And then my y-axis is going to be the total price, or that transaction price. And then the fill color is going to be based off of my sales channel. So for each sales channel value, I'm going to have a different fill color. So it's going to automatically assign different colors based on those sales channels. This is going to be a bar chart, and it's going to be summarizing my data. My function is going to be a sum, so it's going to be totaling all my values. And I want to be able to using the position of Dodge. And then my color is going to be, while the fills are going to be based off of the sales channel, I want an outline in black. I do need to format my Y variable to, which is total price. I want to show that in currency. And then I'm identifying my labels, the plot label, the x-axis label, the y-axis label, and then my fill is going to be by channel. So that's going to be used for my legend. And then minimal theme. Now when I do a control enter, we can zoom in on this and we can see that we have total sales by year and channel. And so for each of the sales years, we have the total sales, but it's broken out by sales channel. And then we also have a legend here showing what each of those colors represents. So this is slightly different from our bar chart, which we saw was going to be one bar for each sales year. Here, with our grouped bar chart, we're creating a group of bars for each of the years, where each of the groups are the different sales channels. So that's a more advanced form of a bar chart. Similar to the bar chart, we can also issue that coordinate flipping. So we can flip this to a horizontal bar chart by executing that or including that coordinate flip. And now when we execute this, it's going to create this as a horizontal bar chart. So just like we could group with our bar chart, we can make that a horizontal bar chart here. We can also have a grouped bar chart that's plotted horizontally as well.